Hello my fellow kids, I'm Liz, I'm a certified technician, and we're going to show you how to customize command prompts. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to search for CMD for command prompt. I'm going to open it up like so. Now the neat things you can do with command prompt is really you can customize it. The first thing you do, you can change the tab color right here, change tab color, and then you can select the color you want, and then you can have different tabs with different ones, PowerShell, or you can do just more command prompt ones here, change color, and then in addition to that, you can change, well, not in PowerShell, but in command prompt, you can change the background color and the text. And how you do that is there is a nice little command you can use. I'm going to type in color, ATTR, and then this will give you the color attributes here. This is the list on the left, and then on the right. Now, how this works, pressing a key to continue, is then you would use the command color and then you would pick the color combination you want. The first color will be the background color, and then the second will be the color of the text. So for example, if I want to do aqua, I could do 3 for the background color, and then if I want, let's say, light purple text, then I would do D, and then I would hit enter, and voila. And you can do a lot of different combinations, so I could change it again. Let's say I want to do a background of yellow, and then I wanted to do a text of red. I can do that. And so you can have all these different color combinations, and one of the benefits is if you change the color combination to correspond with the tab color perhaps, you could instantly know which tab you are on. So that's a big time saver. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.